At Gulfood Manufacturing now we are at the booth of Clevertech. Marco Rama, Regional Sales Area Manager, Africa, Asia and Pacific, is waiting for us. At Gulfood Manufacturing, Clevertech as usual. Hi Marco.
Ciao Sonia, nice to meet you again.
How much is important for Clevertech the Middle East market?
Oh, it's very, very important, of course, because we have a big customer footprint here, very important customer, a lot of already installed machines. So yes, it's quite a strategic market for us.
And you are the person in charge for these areas.
Yes, I'm responsible, I'm in charge to serve our customer here in the region, Middle East region. Yes.
Could you clarify which targets Clevertech supplies?
Right now, we are the main supplier here in this market for the home and personal care sector, where we are leader. Plus, we are covering quite well also the empty cans sector, so the cans manufacturing sectors, with our technology, with our machines.
So you are well based in the Middle East. In fact, may I say,
this is a scoop that I can give you just to you. Soon, we will open a Clevertech MEA here in Dubai in order to serve and to stay more closer to our customer. So soon we will open our own office, sales, after sales and service here in Dubai. It's a strategic place because in Dubai it's an international hub. You can reach Saudi, you can reach Oman, so you can reach the region quite in the easy way. So soon we will open Clevertech Dubai.
Amazing news, so congrats. This is a very important news for our audience. So just in 2 words, why a local industry should choose Clevertech solutions?
First of all, we are a well-known company in this kind of sector, not only here in the region but worldwide. So our technology is well known in the sector. And that's why we have this specific know-how in this 2 specific sector, for example. That's why our customers, they trust in our equipment, trust in our technology, trust in Clevertech people.
Clevertech is always a big brand, globally speaking. So, last question relating Gulfood Manufacturing. Your opinion relating the 2024 edition.
Luckily, that is last day, and I'm happy, of course. We did a good meetings with our customers. Some new opportunities are coming from us. Of course, there is a room to improve.
Great. So thank you so much to Marco Rama and Clevertech. See you Clevertech soon all over the world.
Forza Clevertech.